Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to pay with Venmo on Shein. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. So here I'm on Shein and in the kids section, let's say I want to get these pants. So I click on this one and after that I'm going to click on add to cart. I have to choose a site and then click on add to cart. And then I'm going to go to view cart. As you can see, these are the things that I've bought. So now I'm going to click on checkout now. After that, you'll see if I go at the bottom, here you see this Venmo option. If I just click on this one and I'm going to put in all of my shipping address and everything and then click on save and then next. And then I also need to put in if I have any coupon cards, things like that. So once I go on to the next step, it's going to ask me to put my Venmo details. Once I do that, this is how you can pay with Venmo on Shein. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.